What's up, guys? Josh with Navigate the Wild. Today we're out here going to set a camera. We're going to set a camera in a tree for security, really, on that Y, the smaller branch. But what we're shooting today is another upgrade that I did to my Latitude sticks. What I did was I took my first two sticks, and now it has AM steel from Hang Free Co. That's 11 foot around. It comes with 8 feet. It's been really good all year, but let me show you something. We get different trees at all kinds of different widths. And so as a tree goes up, it tapers. What I loved about saddle hunting is the diameter of tree you can get around. Really, as long as you have enough AM steel, you are free to go and do whatever you want. There's trees like this that I could climb. Can you see me? So I could get in this tree and climb this tree, which is awesome. It's one of the great things about climbing in a saddle. You're not limited on where you could go, but with more AM steel, I could get around a tree like this if I wanted. And so the tree that we're gonna climb today to put this camera on, the base is about as big as that tree there. So let's check it out. So the first thing that I've been running, I did a short on this the other day, but it is such a good, it's almost too good because it can be a little tough to get released, but it's the cinch strap for your sticks from Hang Free Co. I picked this up. I abandoned the Latitude belt buckle or whatever you want to call it, and I went with this. And it's just a basic cinch strap, clips right into that. Made in America. It is an awesome piece of gear. And then what we've done is I've taken my first two sticks. This one has my Hang Free Co. 8er. This 8er is awesome. And I've got 11 feet of AM steel now on this stick, which will give me no trouble getting up a tree like this now. So as simple as this is you just take your Prusik knot, slide it over, cinch it down to the tree, and then let it bite where you want it to bite. And then, because it's 11 feet, if you want, if it makes you feel better, you can just do the crisscross applesauce and then tuck it wherever you want. It's not a problem. And you're good. So now we're gonna take the next stick. My bottom two are 11 feet. And what I do with this is I just rest it on the top. If this was a tree that was upright and I was going up it, I would put it around the tree and cinch it down. And then once I get my lineman's belt, I'd go up and take it off. So I just do that loosely. It just holds it in place really good. This one, I'm just gonna loosely fit, just like that, so I can get up there. But then I'm up the tree and I don't have to search for the line while I go. And I'm just going, you know, maybe 8 feet up. But what's awesome about it, again, is that now I can get up trees this wide. Is it wide? Yeah, okay, cool. That's enough.